Welcome to Trend Traders. In today's video, we are diving into the top 3 long-term stocks that dominated the charts in the last month of the year. Let's jump right in. First up is Chamblfert, a leading fertilizers and agrochemicals manufacturing company. With an impressive 142% return over the last 5 years, it's a solid pick for long-term investors. Next on our radar is Infibeam, a dynamic IT services and consulting firm. Boasting a remarkable 121% return in the last 5 years, it's a reliable player in the services sector. Last but not least, Previscal takes the spotlight as a formidable chemical producer. Surging with a remarkable 275% return over the last 5 years, it's a heavyweight for long-term investment portfolios. For a deeper understanding, make sure to analyze these stocks both technically and fundamentally. Investors and traders, share your thoughts in the comment section and feel free to ask any trading-related queries. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more recommendations. Follow us on Trend Traders' social media, link in the description, for the latest updates. Happy trading, and thanks for tuning in.